Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to track your FEG token using the FEG application. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys on my iPhone, so I'll have a link in the description for the App Store application that you guys will have to download. But if you guys are on an Android phone, I'm sure they have it in the Google Play Store as well. But I'll show you really quickly. If I just head over to the App Store here, this is what the application looks like right here. It's just called FEG Track. I'll also just throw that link up in the description and comment section, so you guys can just click on that if you would like to. But you just want to go ahead and download this application here. That's how we're going to track our FEG token progress. And then we can click on open or just open up the application once it's downloaded here. But this is what you're going to see first things first, right, when you come onto the application. So basically, it's going to show you like your dashboard, your total FEG balance, your rewards, total value, and then total tokens burnt, as well as the current market data for the last 24 hours, 7 days as well. And then right here under the hold category, it's going to show you if you hold your FEG for 100 more days, you're going to gain X amount, which is pretty cool as well. And then it shows a CoinGecko rating. And what's cool as well here, you'll see on the top right, it shows BSC and F. So depending on what chain you have your coins on, you want to make sure you swap that to the correct one. But in order to add to your wallets, all you guys have to do is just go to the left top of your screen right here where you see that little plus button. Click on that. Then right here, we're gonna have to put a wallet name as well as our wallet address. So you just type in whatever wallet name you would like. So let's just say, for example, Trust Wallet, like this. And then your wallet address. So this is just gonna be like, say, for example, on your Trust Wallet, if you go ahead and click on your FEG wallet there and you just click on copy to copy the wallet address, that is what you guys will paste right here. So you can just go ahead and paste right here your wallet address. And then once you're done there, you just want to go to the left corner there, top right corner, and click on that little check mark. And then it's going to ask you if you want to save the wallet. You can click on OK. And then right here, it's just going to load up our balance, and you'll see it's connected when you see like your wallet name in green right in the top corner there. And one thing I want to point out as well, to make sure your balance loads up, you just want to make sure you're on the right chain. So right now, I switched from Ethereum and then back over to BSC. And you guys can see I have some on both chains. But yeah, very, very easy to use this application. It's very, very helpful in showing you how much you've gained since your last buy or sell, as well as what you get for holding, which is really awesome. Anyhow, I really hope I helped you guys out with showing you guys how to use the FEG Track application. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.